Here's a nice big chair mat for under your desk. This is for your office chair to roll around on. So this was sent to me so I could try it out. I'm about to open it and set it up. Okay, I just unrolled it in my bedroom because there is more space right now than in my office when it's under my desk. So I'm gonna get an office chair and make sure it rolls around nicely. I just unrolled it, so these need to sit for a minute probably to flatten out. And once they get rolled on, and once the dogs play on them, I'm sure they'll flatten out. Here's my office chair. Rolls really smooth. I really like the way that feels rolling around on the mat instead of just the ground. It's actually quieter too. This feels really nice. It's got a good texture. It's got some grip, so it's not going to slide around on the floor. I really like the design. I think it looks cool. It's not super thick, so you're not like stubbing your toe on it or tripping. It's pretty flush to the floor. My dog thinks it's a play mat for her, which is fine. Having mentioned that it's thin, it is thick enough to protect your floors though. Like the goal here is to protect the floors from scuffing and all of that. This will definitely do so. It's thick enough for that. This is like a flexible material, and I'm glad it's not fabric. This feels like it's going to be easy to clean. Like you could run a vacuum over it and even wipe it down. And even though I said this rolls nicely, it's not slippery. Like it's not gonna make it roll more, if that makes sense. So overall, I love the look and just everything about it. There's no strange odor either. Sometimes that's a concern. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's nice and big. You can roll quite a bit and, before reaching the end there. So you've got some room to travel in your office chair. Covers quite a bit of space there. Okay, and I'm really embarrassed to show you what I'll be replacing. This is more of a fabric, very hard to clean. I have not done a good job of cleaning it, but it's gross and it collects dog fur. Rolling over it with a vacuum does nothing. So I actually don't even know how to clean this. So very happy to replace it. And I know the new one is a better choice.